There is a difference between saving and exporting. If you choose to save project, then you will save Audacity project, which can be opened with Audacity only. This is good if you plan to finish editing later and you just need to save it for now. To save it, just go File, Save Project, and Save Project or ctrl+S. You can see that you can save it only as Audacity project with AUP file extension. Name it and save it. To export audio, so you can actually listen to it, go to Export and choose the export format. If you choose MP3 and got error, this means that you need to install a lame encoder to be able to export in the MP3 format. I have a short video on how to do this, just click on the notification up here. Of course, you want maximum quality, so be sure that you export in the WAV format. Just click Export as WAV and you are good to go. And this is how you save and export files in Audacity. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.